What's in the box? Well, inside this lovely box is something very special, as I've gotten into developing a hobby, and I'll talk more about this later because in these last couple of years I've been working on something which has been sort of a personal project that has really helped me to not just pass the time but to grow and develop. And so inside this case plays into that. But let me go ahead and open it up and show you just what that is. It's a D68 GPS drone by Potensic, and I like this drone because it's a foldable drone. It has a very nice remote control. As you can see here, you have all your controls, capture video, pictures, and it comes with a very nice battery, a phone holder to go on the controller here. The battery is big, so this is going to be a lot of flight time, and I'll make the investment in another one. But this is my first quadcopter drone, and what I done here is I went ahead and ordered this one. I was looking online for something that would allow me to take pictures and capture video so I can begin practicing my editing skills and stuff like that. And so this drone was really affordable. I got it for a great deal on Amazon. I will link to it down in the description box below. This is something that anyone can afford, and I'm going to take it out of the case here and I'm going to show you basically how it sets up. It comes with props, which is really nice, so that way it can land on the ground and not scratch itself. And it also came with some extra propellers in the case. You definitely want to keep these on hand, because if you lose control, your drone goes down, maybe you hit something, you can go ahead and replace it and keep your drone operational. So let me go ahead and take this out and show you just what it looks like as we fold it. So right here, I'm putting in the battery. The battery has a simple on off. If you hold it, you see the lights light up there, and hold it down and it powers off just like that. And then it just slides right into the back of the drone here. You just push it in just like that. And then in order to open it up, remove the first two rear rotors and we bring forward the front ones. And underneath, this is what I like. If you look here, right there. All right, so you got some props for the drone to sit down on. And it's not too big. I mean, this thing is really nice. Shoots in 4K. Got a memory card for it and another phone to work off of. But I'm gonna fly it and let you know just what kind of video footage it can capture and what kind of performance it has. So stay tuned. That video coming next.